So let me give you a bit of a garage update. Doozy finally blew his transmission and he's out at the shop. So I'm down to drive just another very special car of mine. My Ford Focus. Turbocharged, 4-cylinder, 2.3 liter, and a hell of a lot of fun. And one of the cooler things about this car is that it still has air conditioning and it still has power steering. Those were not eliminated. I know a lot of people do pull the AC and the power steering to alleviate some of the rotational drag on the motor, but I like my luxuries, so I kept it. And since the Doozy's down, I can't go off-roading with it. Can't go drive it around. Drive this Focus around, but I'm gonna go buy parts for the Doozy still. I still have a list of parts that I want and need. I'm gonna go make a quick little cash deposit, but before we go too much further, I need my shades. So I'll be out here driving Mulholland Highway. I'm gonna go to a road that is well popular, Stunt Road. It's up in the Santa Monica Mountains. I'm gonna go for a little nice back road drive. In my Ford Focus. Just a Ford Focus, nothing special. So, yeah. It's a beautiful day to not stay inside, you know. Inside is pretty, it's nice, but it's pretty boring after a while. It's nice to just get out, drive, and have nothing on the schedule at all for the day. Except smile from ear to ear driving your Ford Focus. As funny as that sounds, this car is an absolute pleasure to drive. It is so much fun. It is like an absolute go-kart. It's not like super crazy fast. It's not super performance oriented, you know, but it is so much fun as it is. And I haven't done much to it. I really haven't. Some suspension work and a turbo. That's about it. So, anyways, get some driving action shots for you guys here. I know a few people wanted to see this car in action, and it's just me today, so I don't think I'll have any outside shots. Mostly just inside shots. Hopefully you're able to hear enough of this beautiful, beautiful exhaust and engine noise. It's really, really nice. But no, this really is a nicely muffled exhaust. About it is that it actually still hangs RPMs between gears, and that's the flaw of today's modern manual transmissions, is those RPMs don't drop very quickly, so your synchros have it a little bit longer to line up and your gears have to wait. You can't shift just quite yet, so speed shifting is a little bit more difficult in something like this. Next time I go and get it tuned, I'm hoping that they were able to pull that out. That'd be really, really nice. So I'll talk to them about tuning out the hanging. And I know it's for emission standards and stuff like that to burn off excess fuel and stuff like that. But at this point, I think emissions are kind of obsolete in this car. You get about the same MPG as they do in the Passport. So I am now on Stunt Road. And it's not the smoothest road, but it is really nice. This little section here is about 4 miles of canyon lines, and it's really, really nice. Beamer into the dirt. Super common to actually see cars off the side of this road. People don't underestimate how slippery it really can be. God, that road is so fun. And I'm not even like smashing. I'm just like, I'm really just driving the road. I'm not two-laning, I'm not smashing. It's just fun stuff, man. Can't quite see it today, but I'll show you this. At the top of this, you can actually see the ocean and the other side of the Santa Monica Mountains. It's real